Hello everyone, welcome to TubeReview. Today we are unboxing and assembling the IKEA's dining table, which is in white color. If you are looking for a compact, modern dining table for a small space, apartment or study area, this video is for you. Let's get started. So this is the box it comes in. It's pretty slim and flat packed, which makes it easy to transport even in a small car. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So here's the two box. One is for tabletop and another one is for table legs and support rails. So inside the box we have the tabletop, 4 table legs, support rails, a hardware pack with screws and fittings, and of course the IKEA instruction manuals. Everything is well packed and protected, which is always a good sign. Assembly is pretty straightforward. You don't need any power tools, just follow the instructions step by step. It took me about 1 hour to assemble everything, but of course, you need two people to assemble this. And here's the final look. The table fits perfectly in the space and feels sturdy for everyday use, meals, studying, or even working from home. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.